Hey all, welcome to All NC Traveling. Glad to have you here. On this channel, I take you along on the real side of life on the road, truck stops, rest areas, and small towns across the US and Canada. I don't sugarcoat it, you see it exactly as it is, whether the showers are sparkling clean or barely passable, whether the parking lot has room for you, or you're circling at midnight hoping for a spot. I started this channel because so many places look one way on paper, but when you actually pull in with a rig, it's a whole different story. And if you're a truck driver, or even just someone who loves road travel, you know how important the little details are, things like easy in and out access, how busy it gets at night, or where you can grab a decent bite, without losing an hour of your day. Every week I post walking tours of truck stops, rest areas, and sometimes even small towns right off the highway. You'll see parking setups, fueling lanes, shower conditions, food options, and I'll always give you the honest take, what works, what doesn't, and what to watch out for. So if you want real, unfiltered looks at the road life, you're in the right place. Hit that like button if you've ever struggled to find a spot, subscribe so you don't miss the next stop, and share with another driver who could use these reviews. Now let's get rolling and check out today's stop. Today we are at the Frazee Rest Area on I-94 in Minnesota, and this one's a little unique. It serves traffic going both directions. So whether you're headed east or west, this is the same stop for everyone. Let's take a look at what it's got to offer. Restrooms here are clean and well maintained, just like most Minnesota state rest areas. You won't find extras like showers, but for a quick refresh, it's solid. Plenty of stalls, so even when busy, you're not waiting long. Always a good sign for a rest stop. Inside you'll find vending machines with drinks and snacks. Not a meal replacement, but handy if you just need something fast before rolling again. Coffee and sodas are stocked, and prices are about what you'd expect. A decent way to grab a quick pick-me-up. Outside, there are picnic tables and a little grassy space to stretch out. It's good if you're traveling with pets or just want some fresh air. On a nice day, it's a relaxing spot for a quick meal outside the cab. A small detail that makes a difference. What makes this stop unique is that it works for both eastbound and westbound drivers. The lot is set up so you can access it easily no matter your direction. It's a one-size-fits-all facility, which saves time compared to finding separate rest areas. Just remember it also means more traffic sharing the same spot. So, the truck parking area is separated from the car lot, which is always good. Spaces are limited, so if you're stopping during the evening rush, it fills up quick. Pavement is in good condition, with plenty of space to maneuver if you're early. Definitely better for short breaks than overnight parking. The main building is easy to get to from either direction. Clear signage makes it simple no matter which side of I-94 you're coming from. Access lanes are wide, but you'll want to watch for cars and RVs since everyone shares this same facility. Still, it's straightforward for trucks. Here's the real deal, parking is limited, and this isn't the place for a long reset. It's best for stretching, bathroom breaks, or grabbing a quick nap. You won't find truck stop amenities like showers or laundry, so plan ahead if you need those. Think of it as a pit stop, not a destination. And that's the Frazee Rest Area on I-94, serving both directions with one shared facility. Handy for quick breaks, but not made for overnight. Hit like if you've stopped here before, drop a comment with your favorite Minnesota rest area, and don't forget to subscribe for more tours every Sunday. Thanks for riding along with All-NC Traveling. Stay safe, and keep the wheels turning.